Hello guys, Bimbil here, and in this tutorial we will learn about the phases in Revit. In life we have different phases. They are past, present and the future. That are the phases of life. So in the construction or in Revit there are also different types of phases. The most common or the basic ones are the existing phase, demolition phase and the new construction phase. Let's make you guys something or some walls if you guys don't know how to use the command wall. Go to the architecture walls command. This is how we create some of the walls, and this is our structure here. Now again come to our original project. So let's see how these phases work through or how they are set in the Revit. Go to the manage tab, click on the phases button and you will have this icon bar here. If you will click before insert in existing phase, that phase will be created that is before the existing phase. Now we have two different phases, new construction and the existing phase. Click on the existing and insert after it. That phase would be the demolition phase. So type demolition here. Now you can see that we have three different types of phases. Hit OK, and now these three phases are set. In order to work with these three different phases, we have to create or set the three different types of views of the same level. Come here to the browser and set the level. Right click on the level 1 or level 2 and set it to duplicate view. Hit duplicate. Now again repeat the process, duplicate view, duplicate, and now we have two different copies or duplicates of the level 1. Now right click on the level one of the copies and rename it as demolition phase. Demolition phase of level 1. Hit OK. Now come to the second copy, rename it level 1 new construction. So now we can see that we have three different phases. One is the level 1. Also rename it the level 1 as the existing phase. Would you like hit no? Let's see how the concept of phases works out. So go to the existing phase because that is the first phase. Go to its properties and see that this option should be the same as the level name existing. It applies. Now this is our existing construction. I have created it before the tutorial. You can create anything or any construction that you want, or the walls or something. This is just for an example. So after you create it, go to the project browser, go to the demolish phase. Now go to its properties and check that this phase should be the demolition phase. Hit apply, and now go to the manage tab, modify tab, sorry, and go to the demolish command. Now demolish some of the walls or some of the other things that you want to demolish or that you do not want in your structure. Let's demolish these walls. Hit enter. So now you can see that these some of the walls are in a dotted lines that are about to be demolished. Now go to the new construction phase, properties, and set it to the new construction. Apply, and now you will see that the demolished walls or the things or the components that we have demolished in our demolition view are now faded away or that are demolished. So this is our new construction. Let's get you guys more close to the concept of phases. Go to the manage tab, hit phases button, and you see these three construction phases that you have created. These are just the most commonly used construction phases. If you are working your construction with the use of months, so create after existing phase, create some of the phases and Name it as, like, if you existing phase, you are in the month of June, second month would be July, August, September, October, and likewise. So these are the phases that you have created. Hit apply. Okay. Now you will see that you have to create some levels for these views that you have created, or some of the phases, like we have created demolition phase, new construction phase, existing phase. So go to the level 1, duplicate it, and again repeat the process. Now I have created these of the new phases to get you more close to the concept of phases. Like if now you are in the existing phase or the month of June. So after in the July you will see that you have some of the new work done. Then in the August some of the more changes. In the September, October, and finally you will be in the new construction phase. That was all about the phases in Revit. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.